Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Not that big a deal. Yesterday I made a video on how to create this, but if we look at it with no fill, when I copied it over, there are lines between the red because I just copied it over. Maybe I ought to show how I did that. Let me back up here. Let's get that one right there. Got it. Well, we didn't get to all of it. I didn't get all of it. I need to go to there. I didn't get all of it that time. I need to make sure I get it all. There we go. And I made it 5 inches and I got my nudge factor set on 5. So we'll just do it real quick. Doesn't take just a second. I'm going to go ahead and group that together. My nudge factor is the same size. So I'm going to Control D and move it over. And maybe one more. So we got 6. So we'll go down 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you notice the circle because that's how we created it in part 1. Now, I want to look at this again and left click, right click. And I don't think it would really matter, but we got separation between the red lines. So if we go back and let me ungroup it all. Go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup All. I'm going to select that red, and you can see I got red right there. I'm going to go to Edit and Find and Replace. No, it's not Step and Repeat. I'm going to go to Edit and Find and Replace. And I've got the red selected. I'm going to go from Selection, and I'm going to Find All. And it found all the red ones. I'm going to Control G to group them together for a second. Now I'm going to move them out of the way. Now I've got to go and ungroup them for this to work. And I'm going to weld them. And by doing that, I no longer have that line between the colors. So it's all one piece. And then all you have to do is just, I don't know that it would matter in printing, but you can just put it right back and it will be, and by doing that, there's probably a couple other things you can do to it. Anyway, we don't have to weld the blues because the blues aren't touching any other joint. If we look at them in basically wireframe, see they're not really, the lines are there, but they're not really there. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, or a little bit of help. Thank you for watching.